yes. बिमुनासबा यानी बिमुनासबा 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 यौम हुर्रिया, right? यौम अल हुर्रिया, right? यौम अल हुर्रिया. So how to wish? Okay, how to wish? Okay, yes, you can say same. Atamanna lak, atamanna, atamanna, yes, atamanna, yes. Yawmal, not National Day, is a Hurriya, right? Is a independence, right? Hurriya. Atamanna lak, atamanna lak, Yawm al Hurriya. Yawm al Hurriya. Yawm al Hurriya. Yawm al Hurriya. So atamanna lak Yawm al Hurriya. Or atamanna lak Yawm al Hurriya. Yes, यहाँ पे ये Saeed. Okay? Saeed. Atamanna lak Yawm al Hurriya Saeed. Okay, I wish you Happy Independence Day. Atamanna lak Yawm al Hurriya Saeed. Okay, I wish you too. Okay, I wish you too. Atamanna lak Aidan. Atamanna lak. Atamanna lak Aidan. Okay, suppose Pakistan Independence Day was yesterday, right? How to say? Was yesterday. So Pakistan Independence Day was yesterday. Yesterday, yes.
Pakistan Yawmul Hurriya.
Yawm Hurriya Pakistan. Yawm Hurriya Pakistan. Aywa. So about Yawm, right? Just see Yawm. Yawm Hurriya Pakistan. Khan. Okay, Hurriya. Khan. Okay. Yawm al Hurriya Pakistan. Aywa. Khan.
Kunt.
Not Kunt. Not Khan. Because Yawm, according to Yawm, right? Bihasbi. Okay. Bihasbi Yawm. Yawm is masculine. Okay. So Yawm Hurriya Pakistan. Khan Ams. Khan Ams. Okay. So yes, Atamanna lak Yawm Hurriya Saeed. Atamanna lak Yawm Hurriya. Or you can say, so suppose if you add here Atamanna lak Yawm Hurriya India Independence Day. So here add here Yawm al Hurriya Lil Hind and Yawm al Hurriya Li Pakistan. Add here Yawm al Hurriya Li Pakistan, Li Hind, Li Qatar, and any country. So Li Hind, Li Pakistan. Yawm al Hurriya Li Hind Saeed. Okay. So how to say today is 14th of August. Keep cool.
Al Yawm.
14th of August. Al-Yawm. Yes, Arbatash. Min Augustus. Okay. Al-Yawm Arbatash min Augustus. Or min Augustus. Okay. Min Augustus. And min Augustus. And today is Indian Independence Day.
Al-Yawm. Li.
Al-Yawm. Al-Yawm.
Li Hind. Yawm al-Hurriya Li Hind.
Yawm al-Hurriya Li Hind. Yes. So Al-Yawm Yawm al-Hurriya. Yes. Al-Yawm Yawm al-Hurriya. Al-Yawm Yawm al-Hurriya Lil Hind. Mumtaz. So Al-Yawm Yawm al-Hurriya Lil Hind. Okay. So I wish you happy India Independence Day. Yes.
Atamanni lak.
Atamanna. Not. Don't read ya. Okay. Atamanna. Sorry. Atamanna. Aywa. Atamanna.
Lak.
Atamanna lak. Atamanna lak. Yawm al Hurriya Lil Hind. Yes. Yawm al Hurriya. Yawm al Hurriya Lil Hind. Okay. Yawm al Hurriya Lil Hind Saeed. And same thing. Suppose yesterday was 13th of August. How to say? Yesterday was
Imskana.
Ams. Okay. So Ams Khan. Ams Khan. Say Ams Khan 13 of, okay, yes, Talata,
min August.
Talata, okay, Talata min Augustus, okay, Talata min Augustus, aywa, Agustus, okay, Talata min Agustus, okay, so Talata 13 min Agustus is Pakistan Independence Day. Kif gul? Talata min Agustus is Pakistan Independence Day.
Arba Vash.
14th August होता है ना, तो
14 Pakistan is 14, right? Oh, okay, yes, Pakistan 14. India is 15. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, yes, sorry, yes. Okay, so Arbatash.
Arbatash. Ana.
Arbatash. Arbatash min Augustus. Okay, Indian Pakistan Independence Day.
Yom Hurriya li Pakistan.
Yes, li Pakistan. Yom al-Hurriya li Pakistan. Yom al-Hurriya li Pakistan. Mumtaz. Yom al-Hurriya li Pakistan. Okay, so Khamastaj. So Khamastaj is Yom Hurriya li Hind. Khamastaj, also 15. Khamastaj Yom al-Hurriya li Hind. Okay, so atamanna lak Yom al-Hurriya li Hind or li Pakistan. Saeed, happy. Okay, yes, and here is our suppose today's India celebrate is 14th is its Independence Day, and today's India celebrate. How to say today? Aywa. Al-Yawm Al-Hind. And in country name considered feminine. Okay, so how to say country name? Any country name? No. Tahtafil. Okay. Al-Yawm Al-Hind Tahtafil. Okay. Okay. Tahtafil. Okay. Tahtafil. Yes. Tahtafil. So Al-Yawm Al-Hind Tahtafil. Okay. It's Independence Day. How to say?
Yom Hurriyahu.
Yes. Yawm. So you can use like this. Yawm al-Hurriya is separate. Okay. You can say Yawm Hurriyataha, right? Yawm Hurriyataha. Yawm Hurriyataha. But you can say Yawm al-Hurriya separate. Yawm al-Hurriya separate. And you can say Laha separate. Okay. Al-Yawm Al-Hind Tahtafil Yawm al-Hurriya Laha. It's Laha. It's a phrase. You can say Yawm Hurriyataha also, but its common is this. Yawm al-Hurriya Laha. Yawm al-Hurriya Laha. So Al-Yawm Al-Hind Tahtafil Yawm al-Hurriya Laha. Okay. And today is 15th of August. Okay, Mumtaz. So how to wish again? How to wish Happy Independence Day? Just wish Happy Independence Day.
Atamanna lak Yawmul Hurriya
Lihind or any country. Saeed. And same is a national day, any day. So national day, Mother Day, Father Day. Also, today is a very days. Okay, many days. So suppose today is Eidul Azha, and we are celebrating Eidul Azha. Okay, or birthday. Atamanna lak. Okay, Atamanna lak. Your birthday, Saeed. How to say? Atamanna lak, happy birthday. Yes, Atamanna lak, happy birthday.
Yawm al-Milad.
Yawm Milad. Yawm al-Milad. Okay. And your, so Yawm Miladak. Yawm Miladak. Your happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday to you. So Yawm Miladak. Okay. Your happy birthday. So your birthday, Yawm Miladak. So suppose Atamanna lak, I wish you happy birthday. So you here you can say Miladak. So but you are addressing you. So Atamanna lak Yawm Milad. Just Yawm Milad, happy birthday, Yom Milad Saeed, or Yom Miladak Saeed. Okay, both. You can say both. Okay, Yom Milad Saeed or Yom Miladak or Dik Saeed. Yom Miladak Saeed or Yom Miladik Saeed. Okay. So اليوم okay. So أتمنى لك يوم الميلاد سعيد أو يوم ميلادك سعيد. ممتاز. Okay. And same is a national day. A national day. Suppose I wish you قطر national day. كيف قول؟
أتمنى لك يوم الوطني.
لي قطر. يوم الوطني لي قطر. يوم الوطني لي قطر. Okay. So أتمنى لك يوم الوطني لي قطر سعيد. أتمنى لك يوم الوطني لي قطر سعيد. Okay. ممتاز. Okay. So you can wish. Okay. So نحتفل or تحتفل. Okay. And let's celebrate. How to say? Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Yalla. Okay. So yalla. Okay. So yalla. Yalla نحتفل. يلا نحتفل. So يلا نحتفل. Let's celebrate. يلا نحتفل. Okay. Or خلي نحتفل. Okay. So you can say يلا نحتفل or you can say خلي also. Okay. So يلا or خلي. خلي نحتفل or يلا نحتفل. So يلا نحتفل or خلي نحتفل. Okay. So let's celebrate happy national. Let's celebrate Independence Day. So yalla nahtafil, and after nahtafil you can use always be. Okay, be. Okay, be. So yalla nahtafil bi yawmil. So you bi yawmil hurriya. Tamam? After nahtafil use be. So always it's a phrase. After nahtafil use be. So nahtafil bi yawmil hurriya Said. Okay. So let's celebrate Independence Day. Okay, happy Independence Day. Yalla nahtafil bi yawmil hurriya Saeed. So bi yawmil hurriya after nahtafil use after nahtafil bi. Okay. So yalla nahtafil bi yawmil hurriya Saeed. Mumtaz. Mumtaz. Okay, and sualak. Okay. Shinu. Okay. Shinu tas'al. Shinu كنت شنو شنو بتكون تسأل what are you asking, what were you asking, شنو تسأل بتكون أن رددت أو استجبت or أجبت, right? So here is what is shinu batkun tas'al. What were you asking? Okay. Shinu batkun tas'al. Fahim? Shinu batkun. Actually here is what is takun, but in spoken Arabic you can use batkun. Takun or batkun. So shinu batkun tas'al. What were you asking? Okay. So suppose you are, what are you drinking? What are you eating? Kef goal. What are you eating?
शनु अंताक्किल.
नहीं, sorry, I must say. शिनु हाँ, what हाँ क्या खा रहे थे? क्या खा रहे थे? What were you eating?
Akil.
नहीं.
Okay, you can say akil. Yes. Okay, okay. Batkun akil. Akil word is informal. Shinu batkun akil. And what were you drinking? क्या पी रहे थे?
Batakun ashrab shay.
Tashrab. Shinu batkun tashrab. Right? Shinu batkun tashrab. What were you drinking? What were you? What? Aywa?
इसका आंसर क्या होगा जो आपने कहा कि शुनु बतकून तशरब, इसका आंसर होगा
आप क्या पी रहे थे?
हाँ, इसका आंसर रिप्लाई किस तरह करेंगे?
Suppose yes. Okay, so batkun, okay, you can say इसके से
बतकून अशरब.
No, you can say akun. No, akun ashrab. Akun ashrab.
और वो भी कह सकते शरब. शरब
नहीं नहीं, क्या पी रहे थे ना, मैं पी रहा था, मैं पी रहा था, ओके, आई वॉज ड्रिंकिंग, आई वॉज ड्रिंकिंग, ओके।
अच्छा ठीक है,
वर में आता है।
हाँ वर में,
सही, ठीक
आई
है।
वॉज ड्रिंकिंग, आई पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, ओके। अतकुन,
ठीक है।
अकुन, अकुन अशरब, आई वॉज ड्रिंकिंग,
अकून अशरब,
अकुन अशरब, أكون أشرب. Okay, okay. So the okay. So I'm asking here. أسأل هنا شنو بتكون تسأل. Okay, عن كلمات ثلاثة. About three. عن كلمات ثلاثة. About three word. عن كلمات ثلاثة. عن كلمات ثلاثة. Okay, about three word. Okay, so yes, radatta. You can say radatta. Radatta, you replied, okay? You replied, Radatta, and you responded, Istajabta. Istajabta, right? Istajabta or Istajabta. You Radat, you can say not Radat, or you can say Istajabt. Istajabt, or female Istajabti. Aywa? Tasmani?
Aywa.
Mumtaz. Okay. So, Radatta, Radatta, Radat, you replied, and istajabt or istajabti. So Radat or Radatti, Radat or Radatti, istajabt, istajabti, and ajabt, ajabt, and answered, ajabt, ajabt, ajabti. Radat, radatti, istajabt, istajabti, ajabt, ajabti. Okay. So here is you replied and you responded, and here is you answered. You answered. Okay. واضح؟
वाज़ेह।
ممتاز. Okay. So نرجع إلى موضوع اليوم. نرجع we return موضوع اليوم. نرجع إلى موضوع اليوم. موضوع اليوم, today's topic. موضوع اليوم. So موضوع اليوم. ممتاز. So موضوع اليوم. أيوه. موضوع اليوم مطبخ. اوكي، مطبخ مطبخ kitchen. اوكي، and كيف prepare كيف how to prepare the food and how to cook the food. So how to say how to prepare the food. Okay, كيف كيف okay, you can say كيف كيف how you can say أطبخ means how to how to I cook. كيف أطبخ means how to I cook. طبخ. okay, كيف طبخ طعام. كيف طبخ كيف طبخ طعام, how to cook the food. كيف طبخ طعام. كيف طبخ طعام. ممتاز. كيف طبخ طعام. okay, so how to cook the food. okay, and next word is how to preparation, and preparation word is إعداد. see, إعداد. إعداد. كيف إعداد, and إعداد means preparation. okay, how to prepare. so كيف إعداد الطعام. so كيف طبخ الطعام or كيف إعداد, how to prepare the food. okay, so كيف إعداد and كيف إعداد طعام. كيف إعداد طعام, how to prepare the food. so preparation is إعداد. okay, and طبخ is cook. okay, كيف إعداد طعام and كيف طبخ الطعام. and now let's see is a action verb and how to use in different form. okay, so here is what is أعد. أعد. أعد means he prepared. past. أعد. okay, أعد. and أعد and present word is يعد. أعد يعد. okay, يعد. يعد. أعد يعد and إعداد. إعدادا means إعداد means preparation. okay, إعداد. أعد يعد إعداد. so أعد he prepared and يعد he is preparing and idad means preparation. Okay, okay. So and a'adda, and you prepared is what is adat. Adat, adatta, adatte or adatti. Okay, and I prepare same is adat. Same I prepare is adat. Okay, and now here is here you iddu, and you are preparing what is to iddu, to iddu. Okay, to iddu, and I prepare uiddu. تمام. أعيد أعيد أعيد. So يعيد تعيد and أعيد. Okay, now is what is the tabakh, you know, tabakh, and tabakh, what is tabakh? Tabakh is he cook, and he cooked, or you can say tabakhat. Okay, tabakhat, she cooked, and tabakht on tabakhti, tabakhat. Okay, and again tabakht, tabakht and tabakhti, you cooked, and I cooked, again is tabakht. Okay, now is he is cooking, yatbakh, yatbakh, and female is tatbakh, tatbakh. So now is a male, again is you are cooking, male tatbakh. Okay, you know it already, tatbakh, and female is female tatbakh and tatbakhin. Tamam, tatbakhin. And first person, I cook,
أطبخ.
atbakh, atbakh. Okay, now amar, amar means just you can order someone. Okay, you can order someone is a itbakh, itbakh, itbakh addressing male, itbakh, and addressing female,
إطباقي.
itbakhi, itbakhi, itbakhi. Mumtaz. Now one more word according regarding is a cooking. You can now make tea. So make tea word is here is what is sana, sana'a. Sorry, is ain, sana'a, or same is sana and sanat and sanati, sanata or ti, same sanat and sanati you made. Okay, now is a yasna, yes, yasna, yasna is a he makes, and female is tasna, tasna, or I make, I make, I make tea, suppose asna,
أثنى شاي.
asna shai. Now one more word is according to just reading, just according to food or kitchen, and here is what is sub. See here what is sub, no sorry, this sub, sub means no, to serve, right? Suppose to serve, yeah, to pour, right? जैसे कि प्याली में चाय डालना, to pour is pouring word is sub. Okay, sub, sub, and present is a yasub. See, sub yasub, sub, sorry, sub yasub, sub yasub, yasub. Suppose sub and amar word is again is sub, amar word is sub. Suppose suppose चाय कप में डाल दो, how to say शुभ अशाई, शुभ अशाई, शुभ अलशाई, फिर फिंजान, शुभ अलशाई. Okay, चाय is a pour, and you pour, yeah, serve tea in cup. Okay, so शुभ अलशाई, शुभ अलशाई, फिर फिंजान. So sub means is pouring. Okay, so sabba ya subbu, sub. Okay, sub again is pani, pani गिलास में डाल दो. كيف قول?
صب الماء.
صب الماء. صب الماء. صب الماء في كاس or في كاس. Okay, so صب الماء. Yes, so صب الماء. Okay, so sub is pouring or serving. Yes, sub al-shai fi finjan, sub al-mai fi kas. Okay, so sub. Okay, or you can one more word is ibrik. Okay, ibrik word is a, you can say jug. Okay, jug. Okay, the sub al-mai fi ibrik. Okay, Sub. Okay. And you know is a eating and drinking. So you know eating and drinking. Okay. Sharib. Okay. Sharib is eating, drink, or yashrab. Okay. Or yashrab. Yashrab. Okay. Now yashrab and amar. Amar is ishrab, drink. Amar is ishrab, means drink. And akil word is informal. Akil you can use anywhere. Okay, for any forms. Okay, akil. But one more word is a literal word, but using in spoken Arabic. Word is, you can say it tanawal. Okay, is a more word, tanawal. Tanawal. Okay, tanawal, yatanawal. See, yatanawal, tanawal, yatanawal. So tanawal, yatanawal, and amar. Amar just say have food. Just tanawal. Amar is just tanawal. And here is not tanawal actually. Here is tanawala, and here is tanawal is a sakin, sukun. Tanawal. Tanawal means suppose tanawal atam. Tanawal atam means have food. Okay, khana kha lo. Tanawal. Okay, have food. Tanawal, khana kha lo. So tanawal. Okay, tanawal. Tanawala, yatanavalu, tanawal. Okay, so shariba, yashrabu, akil, you know, tanawal, yatanawal, and tanawal, have food. Okay, and other related word is eating and drinking, and matbakh. Okay, yes, okay, yes. So, and one more word is a ingredient. So ingredient is a, what is here is mukawwanat. 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 Okay, mukawwanat. Okay, so mukawwanat means ingredient. Okay, now is a what is a, suppose some common word is a mukawwanat. Suppose what is the word rice?
Rose.
Ruz. So you can say ruz, and you can say aruz also. Aruz. Ruz or aruz. Okay. Aruz. Okay. Sorry. Aruz. Okay. Now is wheat, or you can say wheat flour. And flour what is a, flour what is a, see, flour what is a qama. Okay. Qama. Wheat qama. Yes. And okay, and other word, okay, and is a dal. Okay, dal. Okay, how to say dal? Lentil, dal, others. Mumtaz, others. Now veg.
Nabati.
Nabat, not veg. Khudra. Okay, is a khudrawat. Okay, nabat is, oh sorry, veg is khudar, singular, or you can say khudrawat. Okay, khudrawat. Khudrawat. Okay. So vegetable and vegetables. Okay. Khudar and khudrawat. Now is meat.
Laham.
Laham. Okay. So you can say laham. You can say laham bakar. Okay. Laham bakar. And goat meat. Laham. Laham ghanam. Laham ghanam. So laham bakar. Okay. Is a laham bakar. Laham bakar. Laham ghanam. Okay. I can say. And now is fish.
Sumak.
Samak. Mumtaz. Samak. Mumtaz. Now is a egg.
Beda.
Baida. Mumtaz. Baida. Baida. Or you can say is a X is bead. Bead. Baida or bead. Aywa. Okay. And next gradient. Okay. Now is spices.
Mukabbilat.
No, not mukabbilat. Is starters.
Start sir. वो है ना baharat.
Baharat. Okay. Baharat. Baharat. Okay. Now is a very common. Okay. Say is a salt. Salt.
Milah.
Milah. Mumtaz. Salt. Milah. Okay. Now is a common baharat. What is the word is a okay. Shakar. Okay. Sugar.
Sukkar.
Sukkar. Mumtaz. Sukkar. Sukkar. Okay, sukkar. Now is a onion.
Jazar.
No, basal. Onion is okay.
Basal.
So here is a some ingredient name. Okay. Now is some ismal baharat. Okay. Ismal baharat. Ismal baharat. Okay. So is a heading. Ismal baharat. So we will write common spices. Okay. So inshallah naktub al baharat al amma. Okay. So common baharat. Okay. So basal. So no, not basal. Is a salt is milah. Mumtaz. And here is a what is a salt and what is a zira kamun. Okay, so cumin, zira is kamun. Zira in cumin is kamun. Kamun, zira. Okay, and you can say cardamom, ilachi. So cardamom, ilachi is a kasbura. Is a common kasbura. Kasbura. Okay, cardamom, ilachi, kasbura. Kasbura. So, okay. Now is a long. Long, okay. Long is a clove. Long is a English clove is a long is karamfal. Okay, karamfal. Karanfal. Karanfal. Okay, karanfal. Okay, ginger. Ginger. What is zanjabil? Zanjabil.
Zanjabil.
Zanjabil. Zanjabil. Zanjabil. Zanjabil. Okay, is a common ismul baharat. Okay, and you can say is a powder, chili powder. What is a powder? And powder what is mashook? Powder what is mashook? Mashook. Okay, mashook. Mashook. You can and chili. So mashook filfil. You can say mashook filfil ahmar. You can say mashook filfil. مسحوق فلفل أحمر فلفل أحمر مسحوق فلفل أحمر. Okay, so ملح قرنفل كمون زنجبيل كزبرة مسحوق فلفل أحمر. Okay, and you know is a one more word is a shatta. Shatta means going to taste part something is shatta. Shatta is a small black yes paper. Okay, paper. Yes, paper. Shatta is paper. Shatta. Okay, so now is a common ism al khudrawat, common ism al khudrawat. Okay, so you know it meat. Okay, laham bakar, laham ghanam, and samak, and common khudrawat. Okay, so ism al khudrawat, common is basal. Basal is a onion. Okay, now is a garlic is a lasan. Thom or tom. Okay, basal and thom. Thom or you pronounce it thom. Tom also. So basal and thom. Okay, and uh, now is a ladies finger. Ladies finger is called bamia. See, is common bamia. 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 Okay, and cucumber. Cucumber is khiyar. Khiyar. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, Loki. Pumpkin is a kusa. 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 Okay, cauliflower. Cauliflower is karnabit. 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 Cauliflower. Karnabit. Okay, so khiyar, kusa, karnabit. Okay, and is carrot. Okay, yes, carrot. Jazar. Yes, jazar. Jazar is carrot. Jazar. Okay, jazar and okay, and eggplant, okay, is is a bagan, okay, brinjal. Bagan is bazinjan, okay, bazinjan, 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 okay, bazinjan, okay, bazinjan, okay. Lemon,
lemon,
lemon, lemon is lemon, lemon, okay, and red chili and green chili.
فلفل أخضر.
Yes, فلفل أخضر. أيوة فلفل أخضر. فلفل أخضر. Okay. So بصل، توم، بامية، خيار، كوسة، كرنبيط. Okay. جزر، باذنجان، ليمون، فلفل أخضر. Okay. This common is a خضروات. Okay. Now, so some word is a put put word. Suppose put, okay, and put word here is also very important. Is a put word is a very common in spoken. Rakkam. Rakkam means put, okay. Rakkam means put, and one more word is also common. Hatta. 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 So put or hatta is put. Hatta is very common. Hatta, rakkam and hatta, and arrange. And arrange word is tartib. 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 Tartib is arrange. Okay. Just suppose arrange. Use sawi tartib. Sawi tartib means arrange. Sawi tartib. Sawi tartib means arrange. Sawi tartib. Okay. Now داخل مطبخ. Okay. So now something. Okay. بعض شيء داخل مكتب. داخل المطبخ. Okay. Inside the مطبخ. بعض أشياء داخل في المطبخ. Okay. So داخل المطبخ أشياء, for example, is a مطبخ. You can say is what is the word is a mixer. Okay. Mixer, mixie. I know is a mawqid. Okay. So mawqid word is stove, gas stove also mawqid. Okay. Gas and gas. Mawqid gas, gas stove. And now is a mixie word is khalat, khalata or khalat. Khalat. Khalat, mixie, khalat. Okay. Khalat. Now is a sink. Okay. Sink. Sink is called, sink is abzan. 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 Abzan means sink. And you can say is a wash basin. And wash basin is, you can say maghsala. 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 Okay. Abzan, okay, is sink, and maghsala you can say wash basin. Okay, it's important. Okay, now is a exhaust fan. Okay, one more word. Adim al hawa. Adim al hawa. Adim al hawa. Okay, exhaust fan. Adim al hawa. Okay, exhaust fan. Okay, Mumtaz. Okay, yes. When inti. Okay, now is a make a question and answer. Okay, now make question and answer. Okay, make question and answer. Kawin, make. Kawin sual wa jawab. Okay, Kawin is make. Kawin sual wa jawab بحول الموضوع. بحول الموضوع. بحول الموضوع المطبخ. اوكي. المطبخ. اوكي. So when, okay, Sagida, when inti, your answer is I am in kitchen. Okay, and next question is what are you doing? I am cooking. And what are you cooking? Okay, just make kawin swallow jawab. Okay, Sagida, when inti?
أنا في مطبخ.
أنا في مطبخ. ممتاز. So أنا في مطبخ. أنا في مكتب شنو شو تسوي؟ okay, what are you doing? شو تسوي؟ شو تسوي؟ sorry شو تسوي؟ أيوة.
عدى طعام.
okay.
عدى
لا
فطور.
أعيد preparing أعيد
أعيد
okay.
أعيد
أعيد
فطور.
الطعام أعيد الفطور. أيوة. okay. شو تسوي؟ شو تسوي؟ شو تسوي هنا and what are you doing there? شو تسوي هنا what are you doing there? شو تسوي what are you doing there? okay. I am preparing the breakfast. okay. أعيد الفطور. okay. أعيد الفطور. ممتاز. okay. شنو تعيدين؟ what are you preparing in breakfast? شنو تعيدين؟ okay. what are you see first here شنو تعيدين؟ شنو تعيدين؟ okay. what are you preparing؟ شنو تعيدين؟ شنو تعيدين؟ okay. what are you preparing؟ okay. شنو تعيدين في الفطور؟ شنو تعيدين؟
أعيد مقلب.
no not أعيدين. no first person أعيد. yes أعيد. أيوة.
أعيد بيضة مقلي مع خبز.
okay. بيضة. okay. بيضة مقلي. okay. مع خبز. okay. بيضة مقلي.
شاي.
بيضة مقلي. بيضة مقلي مع خبز وشاي. okay. وشاي. and here is what is okay, suppose in breakfast item. okay. so in breakfast item is what is a breakfast item you can say is a one more word is a omelette. Omelette also. yes. okay. Shai. okay. Khubuz ma omelette. okay. Khubuz. So omelette word is here is the ajja. Ajja. okay. Ajja. Ajja means omelette. okay. and one more word just here in Qatar I heard. okay. in Misri fi matam Misri. fi matam Misri you know is a Burji type. okay. right? Burji type. okay. is a small point. Small. okay. here is what is shakshuka. okay. what is shakshuka? Shakshuka. what is shakshuka? and here is what is shakshuka. is a fi matam Misri. Shakshuka. Shakshuka. So shaksuka. okay. شكشوكا يعني شكشوكا يعني كيف تصفين شنو شكشوكا سجدة كيف تصفين how. okay. how do you prescribe आप कैसे बयान करेंगे كيف تصفين شنو शक्शुका
वो जो मिक्स कर देते हैं सब.
हाँ. okay.
सारा.
okay. so how to prescribe someone. okay. in Arabic. okay. shakshuka. shinu fi shakshuka. okay. I will what is the piece what you can say ajza or you can say ajza. okay. ajza. You can say small piece. okay. make it small piece. okay. or you can say no you can say mix. yes mix okay. one more word I add here fi isme fi kaima isme khubaz fi kaima isme khudrawat in list of vegetable. what is tomato? oh very important. Tomato and batata. But tomato and potato. What is tomato word? Tamatam. And potato? Batasis. okay. so, here is say and shinu shakshuka shinu fi shakshuka. okay. it's a mix of tomato and egg. Tomato, egg, or something. or
mushakkila.
yes you can say mix of. yes. ممتاز. هذه مشكلة. طماطم. batatis. okay. ممتاز. طماطم or you can say tamatim. you can say no is a nabat. okay. dhania. so how to كيف تصفين dhania. okay. is a plant of kasbura. okay. is a plant of, oh, here what is dhania? So I miss what is dhania?
हम लोग धनिया कहते हैं उसको,
नहीं,
उर्दू में भी धनिया कहते हैं।
but in Arabic, what is a, yes, just a minute, okay, I check it. I check it. What is it? What is the dhania? Just check it. See, here is dhania. Just a minute. No one. Just a minute. Okay, actually, kasbura. Okay, so kasbura is actually dhania. Okay, kasbura, and hubbul. Okay, and is ilaichi, right? Ilaichi hubbul hal. So just correct it. Okay, sahi means correct it. Sahi means correct it. Okay, hubbul hal. Hubbul hal means this is a ilaichi. Hubbul hal, and this is kasbura. Kasbura means same is dhania. Kasbura. Ini cardamom. Okay, cardamom. Okay, so how to prescribe is a dhania ki patti. So how to say is a nabat. Okay, plant. Nabat of kasbura. Okay, nabat al kasbura. Okay, nabat al kasbura. Okay, yes. So yes, so Sual Khan, Khan Suali. My question was, okay, Khan Suali or Khan Sual Ana Shinu fi shakshuka Aywa. So you can say this is a mix of, it is mixed of, okay, kasbura plant, okay, egg, basal, what tomato, what tomato, just say it. Gulish. Hada mushakkala, not mushkila. Problem, difficulty, okay? Hada mushakkala. Aywa.
Hada mushakkala, basal, wa beda, nabat.
Kasbura. Nabat kasbura. Okay. So shinu shakshuka. So here is one word. Kaif tasfin. How to prescribe. How to describe. What is shakshuka. Shinu fi shakshuka. Okay. So shinu fi shakshuka. Okay. So ajja and shakshuka and okay. So naud ila sual awwal. Okay. I don't know. He's creating echo, right? Yes. Suit wade. Okay, but I'm listening. Asma is echo. I don't know. Okay. Yes. So sual awwal is a shisawi fi matbak. Ana with al-fatur and shunu tu'idin fil fatur. Okay. Yes. Shunu tu'idin fatur. Okay. By the makli wa khubuz wa okay, and khubuz and shakshuka. Okay, shakshuka. Okay, again shinu shakshuka.
Haza
and shinu shakshuka here. So it means also here. Okay, here.
Mushakkala. Mushakkala beda. Beda wa basil wa batata.
Mumtaz, it is shakshuka. Okay, and here is what is mushakkala. Okay, mushakkala. Okay, mushakkala mixed up. Okay, mushakkala. One more word is you can say khalata. Okay, you see here mixed. It is mixed. Khalata. Okay, khalata. So mushakkala or khalata. اوكي तो مشكله خلطه तो مشكله بصل والنبات كزبوره وطماطم وبيضه اوكي هي 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 shakshuka. And what is it? كيف قول in Arabic simple. What is it? What is it?
هي شكشوكة.
No,
هي
how to ask what is it?
Shitsavi.
No, Shitsavi means what are you doing?
شنو هي?
Shinu hiya. Yes. What is it? Okay. So shinu hiya, or say in you can say in Fusha. Okay, mahiya. Mahiya. Shinu hiya. What is it? Or mahiya. What is it? Okay. What is it? Shinu hiya. Or here is change for masculine. Masculine word shinu huwa. What is it? Mahiya. Okay. Next word. What is the? What's the word? Is a omelette?
Ajja.
Ajja. So ajja is omelette. Ajja is omelette. Okay. So ajja by the okay is a and boiled egg.
By the
Magli. By the magliya. Okay. By the magliya. 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 Okay. And something is suppose is a heating. Okay. Suppose doodh garam karna. So how to say? So how to say I am getting milk heat?
Ana.
Okay. So कोई चीज गरमाना. Okay. So here is what is a sakhana. Okay. Sakhana yusakhin. Okay. Sakhana yusakhin. Okay. Also this verb add adif. Adif means add. Adif fi qaima. Okay. Sakhana yusakhin means warming something. I warm it. Okay. Yusakhin, I warm milk. How to say? Or sakhana yusakhin and tusakhin and first person. Usakhin. Okay. So tusakhin and usakhin. Okay. Usakhin. Again is shishawi fi matbakh. Okay. I am warming. Okay. I am warming milk. I would say.
Usakhin halib.
Usakhin halib. Usakhin halib. Okay. So usakhin also. Okay. Okay. Yes. And now is when shy and shy ban rahi hai. What is a shy ban rahi hai? Okay. Shy is getting prepared or getting made. Chai ban rahi hai. When shy ban rahi hai. Okay. Shy is getting made. Yes.
तकून इसना तकून आएगा यहाँ.
हाँ तो नहीं तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या है बनाना नहीं है बन रही है. ओके यस सो बन रही है वर्ड इज सपोज बन रही है वर्ड इज हियर इज बन रही है. ओके सो यू कैन से दिस वर्ड. ओके इज वन मोर वर्ड adif add in kaima verb kaima afal. Okay here is what is tasanna tasanna. So not sanaa means just making, but okay is being made. बन रही है बनाई जा रही है. तसन्ना यार getting made. So चाय बन रही है अशाई. हाँ अशाई no तो तसन्ना is माजी is past. यतसन्ना Yatasanna means chai something is ban rahi hai. Okay when shy. So when shy your answer is on the gas on the stove. Okay on the gas.
ala gas
or ala mawqid on the stove. Ala mawqid and ala mawqid ban rahi hai. Okay yes ban rahi hai. It is getting yes
मौकिद यतसन्ना।
अला यतसन्ना।
अला मौकिद यतसन्ना।
यतसन्ना।
यतसन्ना बन रही।
यतसन्ना।
यतसन्ना. And who is making tea? And now is your yasna word. And who is making tea? Who is making tea?
Mean tasanna.
Why tasanna? Why tasanna? Not here is making. Not is it is making. It is being made. Simple. Fahim.
Yasna.
Yes. Yasna. Okay. Mean yasna shy. Mean yasna shy. कौन चाय बना रहा है? कौन चाय बना रहा है? Mean yasna shy. Okay. और ये जो हमने आंसर पूछा कि where is tea? When shy? When shy? Suppose you are sitting around the dining table. Okay. Antum jalisun or antunna jalisat. Antum jalisun and antunna jalisat hawl al maida. Okay. And someone bad nafar or ya one of us. How to say one of us?
Wahid min nahna.
Minna. So wahid minna, or you can say ahad minna. Ahad minna. One of us. Okay. Ahad minna yas'al su'al, asking. Ahad minna yas'al. When shy. Now, what is your answer? It is okay. It is getting made.
Yatasanna.
Ala mawqid. Okay. Ala mawqid yatasanna. Ala mawqid yatasanna. Okay. Yatasanna. So yatasanna means ban rahi hai. Okay. Yatasanna. Ala mawqid yatasanna. Okay. Okay. Lati hu. Bring to you. Lati hu. Bring to you.
Ajib.
हाँ, तो सिंपल से हाँ, यजीबक bring to you, यजीबक सिंपल. और you can say मैं आपके लिए चाय लाती हूँ, यजीबक चाय. यजीबक हाँ, so यजीबक, so अजीबक से just यजीबक. Okay, so अजीबक same word is अजीबक, is the sound. यजीबक चाय. और शाय को आप नहीं भी बोल सकते कि here is understood. So यजीबक शाय और यजीबक I bring to you. यजीबक. Okay, मैं लाती हूँ. यजीबक. लाता. Okay, one moment please. I bring to you. लहज़ा min fadlik. लहज़ा min fadlik. यजीबक. I bring to you. Or you can say minute please. दकीका. यजीबक. तो लहजा यजीबक, दगीगा यजीबक, and second please, second. Saniya yajibak. Second please, yajibak. So yajibak or Saniya dagiga, or you can say have patience little. Have patience. Sabar shway. Okay. Sorry. So sabar shway. So sabar shway or lahza min fadlik or dagiga min fadlik or saniya min fadlik. Okay, tasanna shay. Okay. Suppose I don't want I don't want omelette. Okay. I want milk. I want hot milk and bread. I don't want omelette and bread.
Ana maafi ji.
Ana maafi ibbi. Ana ma ibbi
ajja.
Ana ma ibbi ajja wa khubuz. Okay, I want milk. Ana ibbi halib har. Ana ibbi halib har. So ana ibbi halib har. Ana ibbi. And here is also one more word. And halib milk is getting hot. Okay. Garam ho raha hai. Ab garam kar nahi raha hai. Garam ho raha hai. Okay. So I think today is enough. Ilyom hada kufu. So inshallah we'll continue. We'll continue. Okay. So we'll continue in next class. Okay. Baqiya alfaz. بقي كلمات. So yes, so today inshallah so نختم هنا هذا درس اليوم and inshallah we'll continue. And what, how to say we'll continue?
باستمرار.
No, yes, we'll continue. Okay, so we'll continue. Yes, yes, نستمر. Okay, نستمر. نستمر إن شاء الله. Okay, so نستمر. هذا درس. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll do this. Continue. Okay, سوي هذا درس. سوي هذا درس. نستمر. Okay, or بالاستمرار. Continue. بالاستمرار. Continue إن شاء الله. Okay, so I hope is what is I hope Asak or Asaki. Okay, so Asaki, I hope suppose you Asaki, you suppose you enjoyed, and how to say what enjoyed, enjoyed tamattat. Okay, so Asaki or Asak tamattat dars al-yawm. Okay, and here is also what is Amil, actually Amil. I hope this is also what Amil. I hope or I think, anafakkar. Okay, so Amil or anafakkar, I hope or I think. Okay, Amil anafakkar. Hada kufu al-yawm. Kufu is enough. Hada kufu al-yawm. Hada kufu. Hada kufu al-yawm. هذا كفو اليوم. Okay, so هذا كفو اليوم. So عامل or أنا أفكر هذا كفو اليوم إن شاء الله. Okay, so هذا كفو اليوم.
أيوة
إن شاء الله. أيوة عندك سؤال؟
أيوة أنا.
Yes, فضلي proceed. فضلي go ahead. फضली.
डॉक्टर विजिट वाला जो किया था उसमें चेक करने के लिए आपने यूज किया था फाहस्ती.
हाँ,
चेक करने के लिए फाहस्ती आएगा क्या?
नहीं, चेक मी. हाउ टू से?
चेक करने के लिए डॉक्टर.
हाँ,
डिड शी चेक यू?
हाँ, did she check? Okay, yeah, हाँ, तो just fahas. Okay, so yeah, you can say fahasak or fahasik also. Faha, did she check you? Okay, and did she? Okay, so faha, yes, fahasatak. Okay, yes, she, right? Faha sa tak or tik. Sorry, faha sa tak or tik. So fahasatak aywa. So fahasatak, did she check you or fahasatik? Okay, so fahasatak or fahasatik. aywa. fahasatak.
मैं इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गई थी. फाहस तो उसको भी कहते हैं जो टेस्ट.
हाँ, तो हाँ, वो वर्ड वहां भी यूज होता है. वही वर्ड है. लेकिन चूंकि डिड शी चेक, तो शी के लिए फहसत, राइट? फहसत. और यू मेल और फीमेल, तो फहसतक, फहसतक और फहसतिक. तो डिड शी चेक यू, तो इसके लिए फहसतक. एंड सपोज डिड ही चेक, तो डिड ही चेक, तो what is फहसक, राइट? फहसक. So did he check? Fahasak is a male doctor. Fahasak or fahasik. Okay, so male doctor fahasak and fahasik, and female doctor fahasatak or fahasatik. फहिमती? वादे?
और वो जो सफरिंग का बताया था मसाब.
मुसाब. हाँ, मुसाब. मीम दम्मा. ओके, मीम दम्मा.
उसमें जो मुसाबा जो आता है वो मस्कुलिन फेमिनिन. अगर जुकाम है तो
हाँ, yes. नहीं, suppose I am male. अना मुसाब भी जुकाम. अना मुसाब भी जुकाम. तमाम. अना मुसाब भी जुकाम. I am female, तो अना मुसाबा भी जुकाम. तमाम. हाँ, तो मुसाब is male. मुसाब भी जुकाम. Suppose भी जुकाम, मुसाब is भी जुकाम. Okay, मुसाब is भी जुकाम, and female मुसाबा भी जुकाम. मुसाबा दम्मा. Okay, मुसाबा भी जुकाम. मुमताज. So मुसाबा भी जुकाम. अयवा. वादे? आई सवाल तानी?
और ये जो यशरा जो था, यशरा दस्तूर यशरा अली दवा.
यशरा, right? यशरा means explain. यशरा means explain. Suppose I explain for you. So how to say? I explain for you. How to say?
Ashra.
Ashra lak.
Simple. Mumtaz. Ashra lak. Ashra lak.
Doctor Tashra.
No. Ashra male or female both, right? Suppose I explain for both. Ashra.
That's it. He explained, doctor.
So he explained Yashara. He explained Yashara. And female to Tashara. Third person female, Tashara. So Yashara lak, Tashara lak, or Ashara lak. Ashara lak. And suppose you ask someone ki explain for me. Explain please. Explain please. So use Amar. Use Segha Amar. Use Ishra. Okay? Ishra. Explain again. Suppose you want to ask someone, explain again please. Kaif gul? Explain again please.
Ishrah marratan.
Aywa, Ishrah maratani or Ishrah li maratani for me, right? Ishrah li maratani. So Ishrah li maratani. And suppose you are addressing female. So how to say?
Ishrahi.
Ishrahi. Okay, so male and female is Ishrahi. Aywa, Ishrahi. Ishrahi. Explain for me. So Ishrahi again. And can you explain again please? So mumkin tashra. Mumkin tashra. Can you explain again please? Mumkin tashra. Mumkin.
और शार्थ का क्या मतलब बताया था?
I felt. मैंने महसूस किया. शार्थ. Okay. शार्थ. I felt. मैंने महसूस किया. शार्थ मैंने महसूस किया. शार्थ. Okay. सवाल तानी? أي सवाल तानी?
لا شكرا.
Okay, مشكور. Okay, तो شوفك أنا شوفك يوم الخميس غادم إن شاء الله. and إن شاء الله tomorrow أرسل فيديو. Okay, أرسل 2 فيديو إن شاء الله. Okay, لتمرين. Okay, you can say لتمرين for exercise. لتمرين for exercise. لتمرين إن شاء الله. Okay, so مع السلامة. يعطيك العافية.
Allah khalik.
Allah hayik, Allah khalik. Okay, so inshallah we'll do this lesson, continue in next class. Okay, مع السلامة. تصبح الخير.
تصبح النور.
ممتاز. السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.